That's why it will help control your sugar. How did you all feel after eating this? There's another thing. Okay, who all have eaten the leaf? Who all have eaten? Lift your hands. After you have eaten, after some time, give a feedback as to what did you feel.
First it is bitter, then it starts becoming
After,
yes.
yes? See, that's the thing. That's the beauty of this leaf. It is very bitter when you eat, but after some time you will find a sweet taste in your mouth. So that's the beauty of this leaf. Yeah. The second leaf. This you all should know.
Wow. We studied the shape. We studied the leaf shape in our book, but we don't know its shape.
You want to eat? This is good for all your stones, all the toxins that are there within your stomach. It pulls out and it flushes it out.
ये इसको बुक में रख देने का इस तरह से कुछ दिन के बाद यहाँ से रूट निकल जाएगा। ये हर एक यहाँ से रूट निकलेगा। आप उसको काट के रख सकते हैं।
Whoever is taking, you have to make sure that the roots are coming. You have to put it in the book and you can put little powder inside.
That is all gobar. This is all, but you can use it for your manure. You have seen that?
Yes.
Yeah? So this is rice plant. You've seen in the movies, but now you're seeing in real life.
Vitamin C, my dears. Have it. Very nice. It is not bitter. Vitamin C, natural vitamin C.
About 250 years ago, they traveled from the Sahyadri mountains and they came and settled over there. So from there they came and they took a small parcel of land where they are doing their farming. If you see, they will grow the rice over here for themselves. Yeah, they eat. So now we go and buy vegetables from the market. हम लोग सब pesticide वाला खाते हैं. Whereas what they eat really fresh, right from the. So now who is going to explain what I have explained? Now who is going to explain to them? Okay. So Laiba is going to explain about this village where we have come in, and she will give you a highlights about this village.
This is a Adivasi's tribal. This is Adivasi's home, and there is a pomegranate plant, and there is rice behind that. They grow the rice and all the things here, and they eat. Adivasis have came from Sahyadri mountain to here about 250 years ago.
Very good. A round of applause too. She can be a good guide, no, for us?
Yes.
Okay. So now we also have with us Manoj over here. Manoj lives here, and he's going to explain to you about the field. It's a food forest वहाँ पर तैयार किया है. तो मनोज हमको वहाँ पर थोड़ा सा बताएंगे कि क्या उन्होंने वहाँ पर डाला है.
Oil.
What you said? Oil, mango juice, orange juice. What else? What is
Sir,
this?
is this for the doggy not to pee here? Petrol.
So kerosene, petrol. What else? Some said mango juice, some said orange juice, some said soap liquid, some said
Sir,
oil, some
let
said
sir
kerosene,
don't,
some
sir
said
don't.
petrol.
Organic?
The correct answer is
Soap liquid.
the correct answer is what she said.
What?
So that's cow's urine. Who said orange juice? You all want to taste?
I told Gomita personally. Yeah.
So this is very good for plantation. What is this? Somebody said.
Lemongrass.
Very good, very good,
I
very
have
nice.
it in my hand.
Very good, very good. Take a little bit of it. See, you want to see the lemon plant? Come here. You see the lemon here?
Yes. Sir, this is ajwain.
Yes.
yes.
Ajwain. There is also ajwain. Ajwain is good for
Sir, mirchi.
teeth, digestion, everything. Very good. Yeah, stomach. And there is mirchi. You see the mirchi plant?
See custard apple.
Yeah. Okay.
Custard apples are there so many here.
Did we see one custard apple type fruit?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you want to see? Do you want to see a real fruit?
Yes. Wow,
Yeah.
sir.
That's the one. Yes. Anybody can identify this plant? The normal haldi. It is kala haldi.